Now remember I said 2 inches worth of dirt. Well, it could be a little bit more than that, because you remember the 3-inch pipe sticks up above the bottom of that other thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, because this one is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and backfill that and lift it up where I need it, right in there, and then make it about where I think the bottom of the actual pipe is going to set on. And then I can measure from that dirt up to there, make the decision on how much dirt to actually put in here and whether or not I'm going to lower that one or not. Next step. Okay, I got that packed in there, and I had to make sure I could fit that on there, and I can barely do it. And what I thought later too is I want this to stick out. So see, I could remember, this is loose. I could actually wedge a rock in there and let that stick out a little bit, because once it's like that, it's almost gonna miss. See, but I can wedge a little rock in there or something, let it stick out like that after I put this trim on, and then leave it like that. When I get ready to take this off once a year, I can lift this out. I can lift it out like that, take the rock out, push this back in, take it out, put it back in, put the rock in there, let it stick out. All kinds of things you can do to make some modifications if you need to. Okay, so now I compacted that in, and I have to, and I know I'm going to end up covering this, but I have to keep in mind my decomposed granite is going to be about 3 inches from here down, and it actually is going to cover this up a little bit. It's actually going to come down in here or so, and so I'm not going to backfill any more regular dirt in there just yet. I'm just gonna leave it, and then I put some dirt in there. I got a pretty good eyeball. Okay, so I've got that compacted, and I just compacted it with my hammer. Okay, and so now I can just measure, because I compacted the dirt right below this T. Okay, so now I can hold it right there and just hold my tape at an angle, 45 3/4. Okay, now I can come down to the other end. That's 45 3/4. I can come down here. I'll just leave you right like that. Okay, 45 3/4. And I still have this piece in here, and at the bottom of that 3-inch, I can hold this up there. Oh, okay. I'm at the dirt right now, okay? Right in the center of the dirt, on up. Oh, look at that. I got 45 3/4 right there, 45 3/4, and I've got to decide what to do here, because that's not the bottom of that pipe yet. 45 3/4. That's because I could only raise this one up so high, right? From here, 45 3/4, and that's about 45 3/4 over here. It's starting to rain now. Good grief. 45 3/4. I gotta think about this here. Okay, that's at my dirt. I got 46, and the dirt is about 2.5 inches underneath my pipe. So, geez, you see, I'm gonna have to let's see, lower that lower that down a little bit from where I was. Remember I thought I was going to do it about 2 inches. Well, I'm going to have to lower it down in order to have it flat all the way down here. And see, initially I wanted this edge to be up just a hair higher. Well, only so high I can go with my downspout. I'm good with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this like level. Okay, which means I'm gonna end up having to lower this end piece here where I had it, and then I'll just have to see how it ends up over here. I gotta lower it at least 2 inches. Probably. I raised it 2.5 inches. Good grief. And yeah, I'll just have to see. I'll just have to see what happens there at that end. Okay, because I still got room underneath the pipe where it dips out, where that 6-inch canister is. Okay, so I might still be able to get this almost level, and then see at that point the garage driveway goes down at an angle, so I know at this point to there has to slope a little bit. Okay, so I've got a little bit of room for that too. Okay, all right, so I know I'm not going to do anything different here, so now I'm going to backfill this up almost all the way, and then I'll rearrange that end piece and see what I have to do over here, so I can set that and get this other piece installed. Okay, one step at a time. You can do it. I know you can.